welcome back to another video. It's your girl Shade, and I know I haven't been on here in a long while, but I'm here to give you the tea and let you know what's been happening with me.
We're in the lab, we're having fun. Call up your friends and tell them that another video's done. We're in the lab, making you proud. If you're ready for adventure, let me hear you shout. It's labs out loud, out loud, out loud, out loud. It's labs out.
Alright guys, so most of you have already figured it out. Most of you already know what I'm about to say. I haven't posted a video in over a month, and you know, a lot of you guys reached out and, you know, asked what's going on, asked if I'm okay. I really appreciate that. Thank you guys. But I mean, I have been doing YouTube for over a year now, and it is a lot of work, especially because in conjunction to me doing YouTube, I have a full-time job. So it's a lot of work, and I just want y'all to know I'm quitting YouTube. There, I said it. I just can't do it anymore, guys. I tried, but I just can't do it. I just can't. Psych! Guys, I'm not going anywhere. Those of you who are messaging me asking me if I'm quitting YouTube, no, I'm not. I just needed a break, guys. Work. So let me just get into it now that I've pranked you guys. I'm sorry. If you are new here, I'm Shade. I'm a medical technologist. I live in Jamaica, and the subscribe button is right down below. Just press it so you can join the lab squad. Thank you to all my returning subscribers. Thank you guys for sticking through. Thank you for not unsubscribing throughout the month of hiatus that I took. I have good reasons, guys. I'm going to tell you them right now. Let's go. It was never my intention to stay that long away from you guys, but what had happened was work got extremely crazy last month, which is the month of June. I was unable to find the time to edit the videos because I am the one who edits all the videos that you see on the channel. And you have to remember that in conjunction with YouTube, I am also a full-time medical technologist. So I wasn't able, even though I was filming, like I have a lot of content stored up for you guys. I wasn't just relaxing, chilling on the beach. No, I was actually filming videos for you guys, but I wasn't able to find the time to edit them. But all that is about to change because, you know, I have organized my life. You know, you have the planner, and I have specific days that I'm going to do editing, and I'm just going to try and make it more structured. That way I can able to be more consistent. Now, what I need from you Lab Squad members is to comment down below some content ideas that you'd like to see me do. I have a lot of ideas, but it would be good to get some feedback from you so that I can know that I am producing the right content. As it regards to the educational videos, I have a truckload of educational content that I would like to bring across to you guys, but I have a huge hiccup. Now, as you know, I work in a medical lab, and a lot of the stuff that we do in the lab, we are dealing with patient samples, so they are confidential. So I am unable to bring you guys into the lab with me to show you certain stuff that I do every single day. So I'm trying to find the best way to meet you guys outside the lab so you can still have a greater appreciation of medical technologies in Jamaica. Now, I have come up with a few ideas, as you'll see in the upcoming videos. But if you guys have any suggestion as regards to educational content that you'd like to see on the channel, please let me know. No, I know I have different categories of subscriber. Basically, I have subscribers who are subscribed because of the educational videos. Then I have subscribers who are subscribed because of the travel videos. So I do try to mix them as evenly as possible. Sometimes that is hard because, as I said, with the educational videos, I really wish I could bring you guys with me at work while I'm doing work, so you could see what exactly what I'm doing. But unfortunately, I can't. I'm trying. If anything or any opportunity comes up, I will gladly grab at it. So you guys just stay tuned. You never might know, because the world is changing. So if you have any suggestions, comment down below so I can know what you guys would like to see on the channel. Let me just say, we're going into season 2 of Labs Out Loud. Alright, so I just want to thank you guys for rocking with me. Miss, I'll try my best not to stay that long away from you guys, but your girl needed a break. I had to take a break. Sometimes you have to hold yourself accountable and realize that you can't do every single thing. Sometimes we just have to step back, take a break, recharge, and then we can come back with some fire content, which is exactly what I did. So tune in next week, because a video will be on the channel on Sunday. Alright, so I'm going to go and finish edit it. So may I make sure I edit it from early, because I don't want any hiccups. So thank you guys for watching. I love you all, and if you are new here, make sure you press the subscribe button, because guys, we are going places. All right, let me just say, we have already been some places, but you just haven't seen them yet, because the vlogs are coming. More travel videos, which I know you guys love. So I'm back. I just want to do an update. I was actually editing a video that I'm going to be posting soon, and I was like, let me just come and give you guys an update, let you know what's been going on. Alright guys, so don't forget to comment down below what content you like to see me do on the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications, so you'll be notified every time I post, which I'll be keeping to my Sunday schedule. So on next week's Sunday, you will see another video. Bye, Love Squad.